May pink yun, tapos may green.
This is my toy for Naili.
Saka na bumili ng medyas kapag ka may pasok, pag bibili na ng
baby.
gamit niya sa
Now
school.
this is my new toy. Yeah. Part 2. Yeah, I need to part 2. Okay. We're heading to the part 2. Hi. You here? There my girl. Because she's tricky. Janice is a chuk chuk chuk. Oh my God. Nanay, huwag mo tanggalin sa kamay ito pakagabi ah. Nanay.
Lumipat ka na rin sa akin.
Ha?
Wala na si, bumaba na si Aiton. Maglilipit na ako. Para maalis yung alikabok dyan. Hirap kumalit.
Part 3 now. We are here to the park. Oh my God, it's lava! Oh my God, it's so close. Look at that, guys. It's brown, gray lava. Look at that. Look at that. It's burning a lot. Help!